Hello everyone, welcome to Ray Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region English Medium YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn Standard 4th Subject EVS 1 Lesson number 16 Day and Night Video number 27. Student, daily we wake up early in the morning and sleep at night. Now in the today's topic we are going to learn more about day and night. We live on the Earth planet. The Earth gets light from the sun. The Earth's shape is like that of a very large ball. Therefore, light from the sun does not reach the entire Earth at one and the same time. Half of the Earth gets sunlight while the other half remains dark. We say that it is a day in the half that gets light. You can see in the picture. While in the other half where sunlight does not reach, it is a night. Every day we see day chasing night and then night chasing day. Night comes after day and then day follows night. This cycle goes on without stopping. What could be the reason for this? Every day we see day chasing night and night chasing the day. This cycle goes on without stopping. Just as a tap spins about itself, the earth too turns around itself. So the part of the earth that is getting sunlight goes into the darkness, and the part that is in darkness comes into the light. That is where there is a day, it becomes night after some time, and where there is a night, it becomes a day. From this picture, we can know how the day is chasing the night and how the night chasing the day. The sun rises in the east in the morning and moves towards the west in the evening. The sun sets in the west, so we feel that the sun goes around the earth, but that is only an impression. Actually, the earth turns around itself. That is why we have a day and night on the earth. The spinning of the earth around itself is called the rotation of the earth. Student, look at the picture. You can see that the earth spins around itself. When the earth spins around itself, it is called as a rotation of the earth. Means the spinning of the earth around itself is the rotation of the earth. And when the earth rotates around the sun, it is the revolution of the earth. As the light of the sun does not reach the whole earth at the same time, there is a daylight on the half of the earth, while there is a darkness on the other half. So, the part that faces the sun goes into darkness, and the part that is in the dark comes into the light. That is why we have day and night on the earth alternately. So student, what we have learned today? As the light of the sun does not reach the whole earth at the same time, there is a daylight on half of the earth while there is a darkness on the other half. The earth spins around itself, so the part that faces the sun goes into the darkness, and the part that is in the dark comes into the light. That is why we have the day and night on the earth alternately. Do understand the concepts and revise at home. Thank you.